Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to increase cell size in Excel. Okay, so if you want to increase cell size, row size, column size, in this video I will cover all these topics. Okay, so first I will show you how to increase cell size. Okay, so what you have to do, just here you have to just select the cell you want to increase the size of that cell. Okay, then go to format, and here you will see row height. Okay, option, just click on it and just change to whichever you want. Okay, like this. Okay, so you will see that cell size is increased. So like this you can increase cell size. Now I will show you how to increase row size. Okay, what you have to do, just select one row. Okay, then go to again format, and then here you will see row height option. Just click on it, and here you have to enter the height you want, and okay, you will see all the rows height has been increased. Now if how to increase the column size, you have to just select one column, then go to format, width, now choose 20, then now click on ok. Now here you will see column size and row size is also increased. So like this you can increase cell size, row size and column size in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.